Now I want to discuss with you one very important and the specific rule, that is the De Morgan's law. What is the De Morgan's law? If we have a set A and another set B, then the complement of set A union B is equals to A complement intersection B complement. This is the first part of the De Morgan's law, and the second part of the De Morgan's law is A intersection B's complement is equals to A complement union B complement. We can give its general proof by taking an arbitrary element belonging to the left hand side for the first one. If I put the verification, if I tell you the proof of the first part, the derivation of first part, it is let X is any element which belonging to A union B complement. If X belongs to A union B complement, what implies this? This implies X will not belongs to A union B. Because if any element is in the complement, the element will not be in the set. It means that if an element is not in the union of the two sets, it means that neither X belonging to A and nor X is belonging to B. If X is not an element of A, it means that X is an element of A dash. Because X is not in A means X is in A dash. And if X is not in B means X belonging to B dash. If X is the member in the both sets A dash and B dash, I can conclude that X belonging to intersection of A dash intersection B dash. This is our required right hand side, and here we have taken left hand side. So with the left hand side we have reached to the right hand side, or we can take right hand side, then we can reach to the part of the left hand side, and a similar element can be taken belonging in the second part left hand side, which can give you the answer of the right hand side. And if you take the right hand side, you will reach to the left side. So these rules, these two parts are very important, very useful for solving the problems, and it is known as the De Morgan's law.